Hello and welcome to another Perlani video. So today I'm going to be talking about Gimp. Gimp being obviously the GNU image manipulation program, the best Photoshop alternative on Unix type operating systems. So just to do a honorary mention of Gimp, I thought I'd do a quick tip. So I'm going to do how to selectively color or partially color an image in Gimp. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna launch Gimp. Okay, and now I'm going to select an image that I want to partially color. Okay, once I have my image, now I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna duplicate this image with Control D. Now I'm gonna go to image mode and I'm going to turn it into grayscale. Okay, and I'm going to go back over here and turn it into RGB. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm gonna go back to my original image. I'm gonna do right click and new layer, and I'm gonna apply that, and I'm going to I'm going to go over here, do Control A to select the entire image, Control C, Control V to paste it over here, obviously, and I'm going to anchor the image, the layer, and add a layer mask. We'll select white, full opacity, add, and now if I select a tool to color it, if I start coloring it, it should start showing a color. There you go. So it's showing the color from the original image, which is pretty cool. Now obviously I'm doing a sloppy job, but just to show you how neat it is. I really like this trick. It looks, if you take your time, the results really do look nice. So yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to do a quick video about Gimp. I love this program. I've been using it for ages, and it's not like a fully fledged Photoshop alternative, but it'll do a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.